we decided to take a mini break and spend the day in Duluth today. So yeah, we finally made it. It's been like 2 hours or so, but here is my view right now. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is my view. Super pretty. There's a river down there. Steakburg. We're trying to hit up the swinging bridge here that we saw on TikTok, so hopefully we get to see that. Okay, so we are done at this little like scenery spot, so we are now gonna head to the, I think there's like a waterfall-ish, and the bridge, this is called the swinging bridge, so we're gonna go there and check it out. So we arrived to the swinging bridge. It was like a $7 like day permit here for our car. Well, that day permit is actually for all state parks here. Alex left me on this bridge by myself. Not gonna lie, that was kind of scary because like there was a lot of people on that bridge, and the bridge just kept like swinging and swinging. Yeah, that was kind of scary. Here he is, downtown. Not a good day to wear white shoes. Yeah, we're both wearing white shoes. Don't fall. Oh, you're such a pro. That's the bridge that I was talking about. Doesn't move as much, but when you're on there, it's like hella jumpy. Found this nice little shaded spot with like a little nice little view over there. So nice. Getting closer to the waterfall. I actually took a photo here with my Fuji, and this is how it turned out. I added a sky and removed the tree branch in the front. So what did you guys think? It was really nice though. I would have to say, don't wear casual shoes, wear hiking shoes, and don't wear white shoes. There was still quite a bit of like fall foliage here, so that was nice. There wasn't a lot of like orange or reds though. It was more like just yellow, but
that's because we're late.
That's because we're kind of late.
They said
up here
in October, but that's actually too late this year. We should have came last week or maybe the week before.
Late to the game, as always. On to the next stop. Wait, where are we going?
We're going more towards the end of Jay Cook. I think Jay Cook has about 3 parts, and so we're in the middle part, so we're gonna hit the last stop.
It's getting hot. Holy crap. Okay.
Told you.
Okay, we made it to our 3rd spot, and I gotta show you the view. Wow, iPhone quality does not do justice, but this is it. Okay, switch to the Fuji camera. So this is actually a lot better. You get to see some color and it doesn't look so bare. But there is a lot of bareness down here. Yeah, we came a little bit too late, but it's okay. But yeah, here's the view. I think the other views were nicer, but it's alright. Alright, so we just made it to the Spirit Mountain Adventure Park, and now we're gonna go do the Alpine slide.
Yes. coaster.
Oh, alpine coaster.
Coaster slide.
Slide, same thing. But we're gonna go down the mountain. And too bad we can't take any videos or anything. Alex is gonna sneakily do it. But yeah, hopefully I can get some of that footage off of him, and so I can show you guys. So much fun, but unfortunately I dropped my keys. I dropped my keys on the coaster. So the guy is like helping us find it, and we're just hoping and praying that they do find it. So
what angle's up?
Luckily they have some food here because we were starving already. So got some food. Hey guys, so it's officially lost. The keys are officially lost. And we've been stuck at Spirit Mountain for, I'd say, 3 hours now. It's getting cold, we're losing sunlight, and we're waiting for my father-in-law to drop off the keys for us, and he's 2 hours away. So I feel so bad that he has to come all the way out here and then drive 2 hours back to you. But yeah, he's a real MVP though. Because this is the second time this week that he's come out to help us. Yeah, I had a flat tire this week too, so.
But we don't talk about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're stuck here. At least I have this guy here with me. I'm grateful. And I'm grateful for him because
her hands are so cold, bro. She's dying. She's becoming a vampire.
I'm just glad that, you know, we're able to keep a smile on our face and not letting this ruin our day. Even though I'm like so upset with myself, but it is what it is. It's a lesson learned, and we're gonna buy ear tags after this.
Air tag, baby, you better work. Please save us.
Yep.
Next time.
All right. Well, we might still continue our day. It's only gonna be like 5:30. We might go to 5:50 or 6. We might go and check out the rose garden here.
No roses,
We'll
but
see.
we're trying to catch the sunset. That's
We'll
what
see.
we're catching, all right.
Yeah.
In October, we're trying to catch the sunset.
Yeah. And then head home after.
Yeah,
So.
probably. Maybe watch some
Yeah.
anime. I don't know. Recoup some of our lost time, you know?
Yeah. So, yeah, we'll keep you updated. We're finally back in the car. My dad-in-law came and saved the day. Ending the day with a sunset. You see in the back, it's gorgeous. Alex doing his thing as always. Although today didn't go as planned, we learned a lot, and I'm just glad that we were able to just, you know, still keep a smile on and kind of move on with our day. We wanted to still come out here and kind of just make up for the time lost and to just end our day happy. I hope you guys liked coming with me on this mini Duluth trip, and if you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe.